Thanks for watching this demo of our reusable QR codes for universalpropertycode.com. I'm going to be showing you our three uses that we have for our QR codes. On the left side of the screen here, I got my VNC display of my iPhone. So this is the same screen that shows on my iPhone. I can interact with it on my computer. And on the right side, I'm logged into universalpropertycode.com and have one of my properties up and ready to go. So our original use of our QR codes, I'll open up our app and scan a property here. Sorry for the distortion on the screen. Trying to refresh on the screen doesn't allow it to see the video that you're seeing. So here's what pops up typically. Agent information, price information. You can view photos, map the property, contact the agent, etc. So in addition to that functionality, we can make that same QR code navigate to our URL. If you don't want it to pull up this property information, you can have it go straight to a URL, and you do that by, in your website here, going down to this bottom option, click this to make it a link to a web page only, enter in the web page you want it to go to here. For this example, I'll use Google. Save the property, and now when someone scans that same exact QR code, they'll be taken to Google. So I'm going to scan that same QR code here, and it comes up with the message, you are being forwarded to Google, or a URL, and it pops up with Google. So if you want to ever change that URL link, you just go back in, and I'll change it to Yahoo for this example, so you can see how you can make any QR code reusable, and it'll go to whatever URL you want it to. You never have to throw that QR code away. So I'm gonna, on my iPhone here, I'm gonna open back up our scanner, scan that same QR code. Sorry for the distortion again. And this time when I hit OK, it takes me to Yahoo. So you can, our same exact QR codes, you can have several different functionalities with them. You can use them to go to a website to display our property information. And also, a third route that you can do, if I go back in here on our universalpropertycode.com, let's say I want it to put a link inside our property information. So now I'm going to put that same Google link inside our property information and scan the code again. So I saved it, going to Google again. Now I'm going to scan that one more time with our universalpropertycode.com app, scanning that same exact QR code, mind you. So now it pops up with our property information again. Same information as before, but now it includes a link to google.com, so you can make it display property information and have it navigate to google.com. So it's both functions in one. Thanks for watching this demo from Universal Property Code.